Hi, I'm Ali Russell. I work for Ensono Digital as a .NET consultant, and I'm here today to talk to you about NuGet. So, what is NuGet? NuGet is a tool that helps developers manage third-party libraries and tools in their .NET projects. It allows you to easily add, update, and remove libraries, also known as packages, from your projects. Why is NuGet useful? It simplifies dependency management. Instead of manually downloading and referencing libraries, NuGet automates this process. You can add a package with a single command or through your IDE. Also, NuGet helps you manage different versions of the libraries. You can specify which version of the package you want to use, and NuGet will handle the rest. By using NuGet, you avoid the need to include libraries files directly in your projects. This keeps your project clean and reduces its size. NuGet also hosts a vast repository of packages, including both community-contributed and official Microsoft packages. This means you have access to a wide range of tools and libraries to enhance your project. NuGet can also automatically check for updates to packages that you use and help you update them, ensuring you always have the latest features and security fixes. Let's take a look at how we use NuGet for our templates. Here you can see my terminal. Let's have a look at what current templates I have installed. So this is all of the templates I have installed for .NET at this time. As you can see, there is nothing for Ensono Digital. So let's clear this off. And now let's install the Ensono Stacks templates. So we use .NET new install, and then it is ensono.stacks.templates. We run that command, and what the output we should get is which templates we've installed. There are 6 of those. So now if we run our .NET new list, we can see we have added Ensono Stacks templates to our list of .NET templates. Now, if we clear this off, let's say you want to get rid of this. It's as simple as .NET new uninstall. This will give you a list of things that you are able to uninstall. Here is our Ensono Stacks templates. Run that command, and we should get a nice message saying that that has been uninstalled. Thank you for joining me on this video. I hope you found it useful, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.